3.75% from recent 3.55%. The FHA 30-year fixed rate is up to 3.375%, and the VA rate is up to 3.125%. It's Friday, February 18th, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert, with this week's Maryland Market Minute. And Arundel County prices increased 5.6% to $399,000 year to date. Baltimore City prices went up 12.4% to $210,000. Baltimore County prices are up 6% to $318,000. Calvert County rose 26.5% to $417,500 year to date. Caroline County increased 34.9% to $286,000. Carroll County went up to 16.8% to $397,000. Cecil County rose 10.8% to $307,000. Charles County is up 9.3% to $382,500. Dorchester County increased 23.3% to $267,500. Harford County rose 6% to $314,900. Howard County is up 1.6% to $451,950. Kent County increased 35.9% to $299,000. Montgomery County prices are down 2.6% to $486,000 year to date. Prince George's County prices are up 10% year to date at $385,000. Queen Anne's County is up 11% to $456,000. St. Mary's County increased 14.3% to $355,000. Talbot County rose 13.8% to $432,450. Let's take a quick look at the market activity since last week's report. 1,046 properties are coming soon, up from the last week. 1,059 homes came to the market, also up from last week. 592 went under contract, fewer than last week. 1,315 are temporarily off the market, lower this week. 1,140 went pending, a drop from last week. 1,082 properties settled, selling in 8 days at 100% list to sale ratio. The highest sale over the past week was in Kenwood of Chevy Chase for $5,125,000. In the Maryland rental market, combined areas have 1,392 properties for lease at an average of $23.85 per month. Stats continue to show that rentals are going under application in about 21 days. If you are thinking about making a move this year, get our winter home buyer or home selling guide for free at www.kineticrealtyinc.com and click on Guides in the navigation bar. And if you'd like to chat about your specific situation, reach out to me. That's the recap for the Maryland Market Minute for February 18th, 2022. Thanks for tuning in. Until next week, be well.